and he appealed to be released from jail, arguing that by dying he technically fulfilled his life sentence, which was for the duration of his life, and his life, at any rate his first life, ended when he died. But unfortunately, the Iowa Court of Appeals said that the 66-year-old will have to remain in prison until a medical examiner determines that he is dead for good. Judge Amanda Porterfield wrote, "Schreiber is either alive, in which case he must remain in prison, or he is dead, in which case this appeal is moot." And they accused him of trying to have it both ways. And that the fact that Schreiber was able to file a legal motion petitioning for his release on the grounds that he was now dead, in itself confirms the petitioner's current status as living. And they decided that the fact that I believe he's now he might try and get this to the US Supreme Court, because his argument was that he was actually dead and he'd asked that he not be resuscitated. And instead they resuscitated him and sent him back to prison. But anyway, this man argues that the fact that he died 4 years ago means that he should now be released from prison now. I will be interested. I would like to see that one before the Supreme Court. Let us go to Alex, who is on what our call screener discreetly bills as the western slopes of Colorado. And no doubt he's in his own skiff up there on the western slopes in Colorado. Alex, great to have you with us on the show. What's on your mind today?
Hi, Mark. Happy to be here speaking with you. I always enjoy your content when Rush isn't around.
Thanks a lot. I'm honored to be here.
I'll start off saying I'm a 24-year-old conservative kid out here, and yep, skiffs everywhere. But
yeah, on the skiff slopes of Colorado. Yeah, no, great place to be. Lovely place to be.
Absolutely. Just seeing that people are getting bogged down with details regarding the impeachment and presidential elections. And I'm seeing that Joe Biden will have to be the front runner, at least for the duration of the impeachment process. And this is being because the whole Democrat selling point to the American people is that Trump's quote-unquote crime is involving foreign governments in our presidential election, which Joe Biden is a part of, you know.
Yeah. That's their argument. And so your argument is that they have to prop Biden up